back to my YouTube channel. Today's look is pretty obvious and I'm doing Wednesday Addams from the Addams Family. This is such a classic look for Halloween, but it's so easy to do. It's literally just darkish makeup and you don't even have to do black lips if you don't want to, because I think in the film hers are more sort of a reddy, browny kind of colour. But I've gone black, just more Halloweeny I think. And obviously dresses with a white collar is the most iconic part of her look outfit, and they're really easy to get hold of. And of course a black wig. Mine is super long, as you can see, but you see the one I had, I know her hair is not that long. So if you want to see how I did this look, then carry on watching. So this is my super easy Wednesday Addams look. I had so much fun doing this, and I never wear all black or hair and all that, so it's a completely different look for me. But it is perfect for Halloween. I think if I'm going to go to like a Halloween party or anything like that, I think this is the look I'm going to do. So I hope you liked this video, and don't forget to subscribe and give it a big thumbs up if you did, and I'll see you soon with another. Bye!